day everyone, this is AI Canvas Studio. Today, I'll be showing photo editing skills to make your image stand out. If you want to create clean, professional images using PhotoRoom, follow the steps below. These instructions will guide you through choosing a photo, removing the background, selecting or generating new backgrounds, and saving your final edited image. Just follow each step carefully to achieve the best results. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Let's jump right in. Open the app and click on Start from Photo. You will be directed to your phone's gallery to choose an image. The app will automatically remove its background. After the removal, suggested edits for the image will be shown. Click on Backgrounds. A new page will open where there are tons of backgrounds that suit the image. Scroll and choose your desired background, and it will automatically generate a background that fits the image. Click Generate More if you are not satisfied with the result. You can also choose your background version. For this, Studio Generation is the best. You can edit your image with AI by clicking on the dots above the image. A prompt will appear which you can use to edit the image to your taste, then click on the arrow to generate more images. You can also choose a background from your gallery if you have one saved. To do this, click on Inspiration, then click on Add Your Own to choose a background from your gallery. It will place the image on the chosen background. Finally, click on the image and export or save it to your device.